Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Easy English channel. Have you ever felt nervous ordering food in English? Today, we are going inside a Subway restaurant. Yes, the sandwich place, not the train. You will follow two friends, Nia and Alex. It's Alex's first time ordering here, and he gets confused. He makes a small mistake during his order. Your challenge is simple. What mistake does Alex make? Listen carefully and try to catch it before Nia corrects him. Write your answer in the comments at the end. All right, let's start. Alex, look, there is a Subway right there.
Oh, is that the sandwich place?
Yes, you order your sandwich step by step. The staff builds it right in front of you.
I have seen it before, but never gone inside. Is it difficult to order?
Not at all, but there are several steps. It can feel a little fast if you do not know what to expect.
Several steps. How many steps exactly?
5 main steps: bread, size, filling, vegetables, and sauce, in that order.
Bread first, then size, then filling, then vegetables, then sauce. Let me repeat that. Bread, size, filling, vegetables, sauce.
Perfect. You remembered it on the first try.
I will write it in my head. Okay, let's go inside.
Okay, look up at the menu board.
Oh, wow, there are so many options. My eyes don't know where to go.
I know, it looks like a lot, but just focus on one thing at a time. Start with the bread.
Okay, I see Italian white, wheat, honey oat. What is honey oat?
Honey oat is bread made with oats and a little honey. It has a slightly sweet taste. It is also a little healthier than white bread.
Oh, interesting. So honey oat is the healthier option.
Yes, and it has a nice texture too, a little chewy on the outside.
I think I want to try the honey oat bread then.
Good choice. Now look at the fillings. What meat do you like?
I usually like chicken.
Then try the grilled chicken. It is simple, not too spicy, very fresh.
Grilled chicken on honey oat bread. That sounds really good.
And for size, do you want a 6-inch or a foot-long?
What is the difference?
A 6-inch is the smaller sandwich. A foot-long is double the size. It is much bigger.
Oh, I will take the 6-inch then. I do not want to waste food.
Good. Okay, I think you're ready. Let's go to the counter.
I will go first so you can watch. Excuse me,
Hi there. Welcome to Subway. What can I get for you?
can I have a 6-inch grilled chicken, please? On Italian white bread.
Sure. Would you like it toasted?
Yes, please. Toasted.
Okay, going in the oven now. Which vegetables would you like?
Lettuce, cucumber, and tomato, please.
Any sauce?
Sweet onion sauce, please. Just a little.
Perfect. Is this for here or to go?
For here. Thank you.
That'll be $4.80.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Here's your sandwich. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Wait, Alex is about to order, and something is going to go wrong. Keep listening.
Okay, my turn. I can do this.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Can I have a foot-long grilled chicken on honey oat bread, please?
Sure. Toasted?
Oh, what does toasted mean exactly?
Toasted means we warm the sandwich in the oven. The bread gets warm and a little crispy.
Oh, yes, please. Toasted.
What vegetables would you like?
Lettuce and tomato.
Anything else?
That is all.
Any sauce?
What sauces do you have?
We have ranch, sweet onion, honey mustard, barbecue, and mayonnaise.
Oh, can I have ranch and barbecue?
Both sauces?
Is that okay?
Of course. How much of each?
A little ranch and a little barbecue.
Sure. Here is your sandwich. That will be $7.20.
Oh, wait. I thought I ordered a 6-inch.
You asked for a foot long.
Oh no. I said foot-long by mistake. I meant 6-inch. I am sorry.
No problem. It happens. I'll make you a new 6-inch. Just give me a moment.
Thank you so much. I am really sorry.
Do not worry. It is all fine.
So, how did it go?
I made a mistake. I said foot long instead of 6-inch.
Oh no!
The staff was very kind, though. She made me a new sandwich.
That is the good thing about Subway staff. They are used to all kinds of situations. But next time, double check before you speak.
I know. I was nervous and I said the wrong size.
What is the lesson?
Always say the size clearly. 6-inch or foot long. Say it slowly and clearly.
Exactly. And if you say something wrong, do not panic. Just explain the mistake. The staff will help you.
I said, I'm sorry, I meant 6-inch. And she understood right away.
Perfect. That is real English, used in a real situation.
This sandwich is so good. The honey oat bread is amazing.
I told you. Honey oat has a great texture.
Yes, it is soft inside but slightly chewy outside, and the toasting made it warm and crispy.
Do you remember all the steps now?
Let me try. Step 1, choose your bread. I chose honey oat bread.
Good.
Step 2, choose your size, 6-inch or foot long. I learned that the hard way.
Yes, you did.
Step 3, choose your filling. I chose grilled chicken.
Good. And step 4?
Vegetables, lettuce, tomato. I should have added cucumber too. Yours looked really good.
Next time. And step 5?
Sauce. I chose ranch and barbecue, both together.
How did that taste?
Actually, very good. Ranch is creamy, barbecue is smoky. Together, they work well.
See, your confusion led to a good discovery.
That is one way to look at it.
Nia, can I ask something?
Of course.
When the staff asked for here or to go, what does that mean exactly?
Oh, good question. For here means you eat inside the restaurant. To go means you take the food away with you.
Oh, so for here is eating inside, and to go means takeaway.
Exactly. And in some countries, people say takeout instead of to go. Same meaning.
For here, to go, takeout. All mean where you eat.
Yes. At Subway, most people say for here or to go. It is very simple.
I did not answer that question when I ordered. I just paid and walked away.
That is okay. Since you were eating inside, the staff knew automatically.
That is a relief. I will remember for here next time. Today was a real learning experience.
You made one mistake with the size, but you fixed it calmly. That is progress.
I also learned so many new words. Toasted, foot-long, 6-inch, filling, sauce.
And you use them in real sentences. That is more important than just memorizing.
Next time, I will come alone and order everything correctly.
I believe you. Let's come back next week.
Agreed. And next time, I will try the foot-long on purpose.
Fair enough. I hope you enjoyed that story. Alex made a real mistake. He said foot-long instead of 6-inch, but he corrected it calmly and learned from it. Today's key vocabulary: toasted, 6-inch, foot-long, filling, for here, to go. Your answer in the comments below. One sentence is all you need. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Easy English channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.